As an experienced product designer, I have accessed plenty of textile manufacturers and factories in China. Come to know that how much pollution and waste can be produced during the textile manufacturing and garment production.
So good evening, everyone. Thank you very much for coming tonight. It is a great honor to present our Capstone project. In our presentation, first, we will identify the problems in fashion industry that our business will address. After that, we will walk you through the details of business idea, solution, business activities, and financial plan. Before starting our presentation, we would like to introduce ourselves. My name is Mayuka Inaba. I have 12 years of experience in business development, marketing, e-commerce in both fashion and tech industry in Japan and in the US. Throughout my career, I have pursued how to enhance customer experience in both online and offline by utilizing technological innovation for business growth.
Hi everyone, so my name is Hsuan. I have 10 years of experience in supply chain management and product design in both China and Taiwan. As an experienced product designer, I have accessed plenty of textile manufacturers and factories in China. Come to know that how much pollution and waste can be produced during the textile manufacturing and garment production.
你知道为什么大家都说时尚产业的节奏很快，工作行程很紧凑吗？你知道服装设计师的工作不是只有画设计图而已，你还要懂得成本控制吗？我在实践大学的进修推广部开设了一门全球时装产业链概论，为期8周24小时的课程。在这8堂课的课程里，我将会带你了解全球时装产业链的结构与生态。想要了解更多跟课程有关的详细内容，可以从我影片下方的资讯栏连结点入。
With that in mind, and based on our professional experiences, we would like to challenge the fashion industry to lessen its environmental impacts as well as meet the customers' needs. In our project, we have 3 particular problems to solve. First is the overproduction, the second is the chemical pollution, and the third is unsatisfactory fit. So the first issue, overproduction. In 2018, over 16 million tons of textile waste were produced. Of that, 10.5 million tons of textile waste will end up in landfills, meaning an average American throws away 80 pounds of used clothing every year. Furthermore, with the increasing sales of clothing in between 2000 to 2015, the number of times of a clothing was worn has decreased. More than $460 billion of value was lost due to clothing underutilization. So we can see that how much monetary waste and environmental waste can be produced because of overproduction issue. Second problem is the chemical pollution. So textile mills generate 1/5 of the industrial world's water pollution and use up to 20,000 different kinds of chemicals in the textile production. In 1 year, 40 billion tons of chemicals are used in the textile production, including fiber production, dyeing, finishing, all the processes. And 30% of the substances in these chemicals are identified pose a risk to human body health. So this evidence shows that how chemical pollution can have negative impacts to our environment as well as bodily health.
The third problem is unsatisfactory fit. 92% of US women say the fit is the most important element for purchasing the clothes. 67% of US women consider themselves to be a special size defined as plus, petite, junior, or tall. Needs for size inclusivity in fashion industry is increasing more and more. Furthermore, 55% of US consumers said fit was the top reason for returning online purchases. Sizing and fitting problems greatly impact the return rate of online purchases. To tackle the three problems that we just explained, we created our business idea. Our company and brand name is alumni. The name is a combination of the words for knitting in both Japanese and Italian, amu and malia. We design, develop, and retail made-to-order eco-conscious custom knitwear. Our mission is to satisfy customers ethically and philosophically while minimizing waste and pollution. Based on our mission, our brand tagline is embrace nature, include everyone.
In response to the problems that we explained earlier, our company has three solutions. The first solution is made-to-order service. In order to tackle the overproduction issue, we are looking for a solution of zero waste. So we will utilize the Japanese 3D knitting technology, shimaseki, to provide a made-to-order service. We will produce our products directly from yarn to apparel. This additive type of manufacturing allows us to achieve a zero waste production, starting from virtual design to 3D sampling to eventually our end-use products. We will show you the video so you get to see the 3D knitting technology process. With this amazing technology, we can simply produce a knitwear garments within 70 minutes. Our second solution is by using all natural eco-conscious material to produce zero pollution. In our eco-conscious material, there are three major criteria. First, non-toxic chemicals are used in our fiber production. Second, we monitor the amount of water we use and how much water we can return to the source. Third, we ensure that our products remain in perpetual cycles of use and reuse. Our first eco-conscious material is Tencel Laocell. Tencel Laocell is a regenerated plant-based fiber extracted from sustainable wood pulp. The overall production can achieve 99.5% recovery of solvent solution. Our second eco-conscious material is called slow wool, which is a 100% merino wool produced in Australian Grampian Mountains. It is also certified as gold level by Cradle to Cradle organization. The whole production process is fully sustainable. It is produced in renewable energy and animals are treated responsibly.
Third, to satisfy customers' need for a better fit, we will make custom fit wear by using 3D mobile body scanning technology to obtain accurate measurement and provide virtual fitting experience. By using these technologies, we will pursue 100% perfect fit. We will collaborate with 3D Look, a California-based mobile 3D body scanning technology developer. There are only 3 steps. The first is taking 2 photos. The second is getting an accurate measurement. Third is trying clothes on virtually. So I will show the video of the process. So as you can see, customers can easily get accurate measurement and try clothes on virtually by using this technology.
So let me walk you through our design and product. We first start with our product development. We're starting from product planning, to the design collection, and yarn and textile development, pattern making, virtual sampling, knit programming, eventually production. The whole process is working on Shimaseki's digital design system so that we can achieve zero waste to go. This is our 2020 Spring-Summer collection mood board. As you can see, our motif is very high-bid and fresh, at the same time maintain the femininity and also sophistication. This is our collection design. We use the clean lines and classic shape, but played with bright vivid colors and different knitting stitch patterns to create the unique styles. Most importantly, these styles are very suitable for a different business occasion. This is our screenshot for our website, so you can see the clothing. And we also bring some real samples. Luckily, we invite two of our classmates to wear our dress, so they can show you how it looks like when the clothing is wearing on the real person. The clothing doesn't measure their body, but it just perfect fits. So now, let me show you our supply chain model. We aim to achieve a closed-loop circular supply chain model, starting from design to material sourcing, to production, and eventually recycle the used products and unraveling them to reproduce a new piece. So in order to achieve a fully sustainable supply chain model, we collaborate with local manufacturer located in Brooklyn. In this case, we can not only reduce the carbon footprint when shipping, but also we can drastically reduce the transportation costs. As you can see, these are the scope of work by our manufacturer, including the programming, production, quality control, direct shipping, sanitization, and yarn storage. Let me show you a close look of our production process. As you can see, this map shows each partner companies that we collaborate in different stages of our production. And by providing the on-demand service, we can achieve zero inventory. Furthermore, with our business model, we can drastically reduce our lead time up to 80%, from 40 weeks to only 8 weeks.
So here, I will walk you through our marketing and sales plan. First, I will identify our target audience, and then we will explain about how to communicate with our target audience efficiently. Our main target audience is 25 to 44 years old businesswomen living in New York. Estimated audience number of demographic segmentation is 1.5 million. In terms of psychographic segmentation, our target audience chose eco-conscious clothes and regularly exercise and go on the business trip. They are highly engaged in social media and like online shopping. In order to get primary data about our target audience, we conducted online survey. We got total 100 respondents. As you can see, 96% of them select fit as an important element for purchasing clothes. So this data shows there is a need for perfect fit clothes. We also asked them about the experience of buying eco-conscious clothes. As you can see, 65% of them have experience of buying eco-conscious clothes. 35% of them have never bought eco-conscious clothes. Here are the top 5 reasons. For example, they don't know any eco-conscious clothes brand. There are not so many options, and it's expensive. So this research result shows there is a need for more variety of eco-conscious brands. Based on our primary research, we created the samples of our customer profiles. Marissa is a 28-year-old PR director at the cosmetic company living in Danville. Karen is a 33-year-old pregnant lawyer living in Upper East Side. Emily is a 40-year-old vice president of sales at a bank living in Tribeca. She has 2 kids. As you can see, they have various ages, occupation, and material status. However, they all have the needs for perfect fit and sustainable fashion. For example, Karen is 7 months pregnant, and she requires business attire with a right fit according to her, growing belly. So here's the positioning map. We selected competitors based on our primary research. So as you can see, this vertical axis shows the degree of the eco-consciousness, and horizontal axis shows the degree of price. Our company, Amario, is located here. Our price range will be $100 to $300. Importantly, none of our competitors provide custom fit service, so there is a white space. Our business is direct to consumer model, so our distribution channel is our own website. Here are the designs of PC and mobile websites. To build brand awareness, provide the opportunity to touch and try our products, and create a community among our target audience, we will organize monthly salon in Soho. We plan to open a permanent showroom in New York in the 2nd year, in California in the 4th year. We believe educating customers about eco-conscious fashion is very important. So in our Instagram, we will post not only product images, but also educational tips about eco-conscious fashion, in collaboration with the organization such as Fashion for Good, Fashion Revolution. Lastly, we will launch upcycling loyalty program. Since our product is made one entire piece, it is possible to unravel the yarn to use and make new clothes. So I will show the video. So customers can ship back their used clothes, and we will provide a gift card so that they can use for the next purchase. So in this program, we will create circularity as well as brand loyalty. So here's our customer experience. As you can see, our customer experience is fully circular. So we can keep communicating with them interactively to make our customer engagement. With our circular business model, we will pursue zero waste, zero pollution, and 100% perfect fit to challenge the problems in fashion industry to contribute customers and society.
Lastly, we will show you our financial plan. So we first start with the cost of goods sold. Take one of our seamless blazer as an example. The cost of goods sold, including material, manufacturing, packaging, shipping, it is $145. And over 2% overhead, it's around $148. And our retailing price is $329, marked up 55%.
Here are the startup and monthly average costs of the past year. Our total fixed cost in the past year will be $130,000. In order to break even, our revenue goal of past year will be $250,000. So we need to sell 1,000 packages. So we will explain about our business expansion and financial plan. So in the first year, we will use bootstrapping and crowdfunding as a funding source. In the second year, we plan to open a permanent showroom by using fundings from the microfinance and angel investor. The fourth year, we plan to expand our business into the California. So we will additionally raise capital from the venture debt, as well as angel investor and venture capital. This is our 5-year business expansion as well as financial plan. So lastly, to develop our business idea and business plan, many people from this organization helped us. Shimaseki, Herald Industry, Lending, Botte Giuseppe, 3D Look. Finally, we'd like to thank Cordoza Law School and professors and alumni and classmates of Global Fashion Management in Fashion Institute of Technology. We truly appreciate everyone's help. Thank you very much for attention.
Thank you.